First up is my mean green turkey machine. I brine a 14-pounder overnight, then stuff a spiced cilantro and roasted pepper mixture under the skin. I got some pasilla peppers and some serranos that are going together to be stuffed, get this, under the skin of a brined turkey. Got a big 14-pounder that's sitting over there that I just brought out of the garage fridge. Can do time for up to, you know, sometimes you can even, on the big ones, get up there into 48 hours, but 24 hours is good for me. Okay, so 3 of these pasilla peppers and the serrano go in. I'm gonna add that garlic in just a second, but I need some green onions. And what I said is it's gonna go under the skin is that the bird's been brined. Then I'm gonna make this mixture, hit it with some lime juice. Once you brine a bird, you never go back the conventional way. I've already roasted the peppers here, put some oil on them, sweated them, took the skins, the seeds, and the stems off. There we go. Just get this garlic in. Lime zest and some lime juice are also going to go into that. And a little bit of cilantro. There we go, some fresh cilantro always sitting on the counter. Okay, so we'll get the cilantro chopped up. So all kinds of great flavors. And it does have kind of a Latin theme, a Mexican theme to it. But if you know some of the stories of my family and I, we love to go down to Mexico. Actually, before I do that, I gotta zest this thing. I hate that. I hate when I go and squeeze them and then I try to go and zest a pre-squeezed lime, but really nice essence of the lime getting in there with these, with the zesting. Okay, and one thing after this, a little bit of cumin. Now I'm working fast. I don't want that garlic to burn. I haven't had a chance to move it yet. Okay, a little lime juice. Let me grab a little cumin. There we go. Ground cumin. I don't want the cumin seed. Touch of that. Now, I know what I said, but I don't want you to get on my case about this. I said that I wasn't going to burn the house down. It was about big flavor, not big flames. But I have to just add a touch of tequila to this. There we go. Did I flame this thing? There we go. Come on. Like you didn't expect me to do that. Okay, so let me cool this down. Get this sheet tray out. And why the sheet tray? I want this stuff to actually cool down before I stuff it in the bird. In the big tub, brined in the garlic, peppercorns, bay leaf, the agave nectar, and the salt. Big roasting pan here. 1, 2, 3. Into the roasting pan. The oven was preheated at 350. There we go. Okay, look at that. Now look at this. Big 14-pounder. I brined it. Then I stuffed these peppers up underneath the skin of it. So look at that. Look at the peppers and the onions and everything right underneath there. Fantastic.